so real, more than I have felt before. And I know this time I will try to keep you satisfied. Don't wanna be second with you, it feels like the first time.
I don't know if the camera can see my head. I'm already recording.
Oh, maybe you cannot see your head.
Oh, I can't see. Shit. Okay. Can you see my head now? Great. So this is the motherboard box. I'm not ready to see this.
Here we go.
Okay, so this is my first ever time doing an unboxing video. So pardon the quality. I don't know whether my camera got the audio is quite good. So wow. Okay, wait. I saw on video that they said that you have to overturn the thing, so you don't have to carry it. So probably I'm gonna do it now.
The cardboard.
The cardboard is covering?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is bad.
Slowly, Sam.
Yeah, of course. My wife is not wearing the tudung, so she can't be my assistant.
Sorry.
Great! Wow! I don't even see anything. Hey.
Careful, Sam.
Yep. Just super excited. Oops. It's heavy. Yes, you show the glass side. Why it looks so good? Then take the camera, Sam. Wow! Did you see it? That's awesome. Ta-da!
What I say, and do you believe me when I say I don't deserve you? I don't deserve you. I can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop. I can't stop playing with me. I just can't stop. I can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop. I can't stop playing with me. I just can't stop.
Oops. Alright. Hello again. Thank you for watching this video to this far as well. So the video is purely just to share my excitement on my latest investment, which is a customized PC from AFTERSHOCK, and also hopefully to share any form of information with those who are keen to get themselves a customized PC, especially during this work from home period, which I think is quite crucial for all of us to increase productivity. So leading to that point, I think the two main reasons that I got it is purely just to increase my productivity so I can multitask even better. can handle more softwares at the same time. And the second point is purely just to enhance my man cave or workspace. So actually I'm very thankful that my wife is very understanding, that she allowed me to actually design a dedicated workspace for myself during the renovation. And all this wouldn't happen for my little brother Alfian, who has guided me along the process, because I'm a person who does not know anything about computer specs. So thank you, and to Tekman and Lukman, who helped me set up this space to make everything happen. I'm very appreciative for all three of you. So yeah, the PC I got pretty much. I think I'm just gonna run through the specs on the screen while you enjoy the video. But hopefully, I will get to create more of these videos. Probably share more tech stuff or things that I love to do. And because right now I just found a new hobby, which is video editing. So hopefully it happens. Okay, goodbye for now. Awkward.
Can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it. I can't stop playing with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it. I can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it. I can't stop playing with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it. Can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it. Can't stop, you're playing with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it. Can't stop when you're with me. I just can't stop, boy, I love it.